How to change the height of Roblox avatar. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the height of Roblox avatar, first of all launch the Roblox application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here as you can see, I've already logged into my account. So all you have to do is just tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, first of all launch or tap on the profile icon. As you tap on profile, tap on edit profile option over here and then tap on your avatar over here or your profile picture. So as you do that, you can see there are different options over here at the bottom of the avatar. So just scroll down and you can just tap on the option of characters, or you can also switch on to the customize section at the top of the screen instead of marketplace. So here as you tap on head and body, you can just swipe it and you can see the option of build over here. So tap on build and here you can see you can change your body type over here by just dragging the option over here, and you can change your body type. Now scroll down and you can also see your body size over here. You can switch to any of these options and you can change your head size, but in terms of height there is no specific option over here, so we'll not be able to change the height of the Roblox avatar as for now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.